The Dogo Argentino, plural Dogos Argentinos, is an Argentine breed of large dog of Mastiff type. It was bred in the early 20th century in Cordoba in central Argentina, primarily for dogfighting, but also for hunting large game such as peccaries and pumas. The foundation stock included a fighting dog of bulldog type, a bull terrier, and a Mustang del Pirineo. Today in this video I present you the Dogo Argentino, the strongest dog from Argentina. Let's jump on it. History of Dogo Argentino. Argentina is the birthplace of the tango, an explosively intense dance that rivets anyone who watches it. It would be a home to a dog breed whose own intensity of character and dramatic aesthetics are equally attention-grabbing. Unlike many breeds that evolved organically in a time and place to perform a certain function, the Dogo Argentino was the result of a deliberate act of creation. The breed was willed into being in the mid-1920s by a teenager who not only had the vision of the ultimate big game hunting dog bounding across Argentina's wide-ranging grasslands in pursuit of wild boar and puma. Personality of Dogo Argentino. The Dogo Argentino is a loyal breed with a tendency to be highly territorial, making them excellent watchdogs. They are fierce defenders of their human families. They are independent dogs that need an experienced owner to handle their training needs, especially when it comes to socialization, as the Dogo Argentino is known for being less than welcoming to strangers and other dogs. They are strong-willed and need plenty of exercise and mental stimulation. Dogo Argentino temperament. The Dogo is among the toughest of breeds, and it is not a breed for inexperienced or casual dog owners. It requires an experienced owner who is firm, confident, consistent, and careful, since the breed may be aggressive towards strange dogs and people, and even familiar dogs. Despite its tough nature, it is a loving, loyal, and demonstrative companion that likes close contact. Size and weight. Weights for those dogs are some 40-45 kilograms or 90 to 100 pounds. For females, slightly less. Heights at the withers are in the range of 60 to 65 centimeters, 24 to 26 inches for females, and 60 to 68 centimeters, 24 to 27 inches for dogs. Training needs. Along with ample socialization, your Dogo Argentino will need proper and consistent training. Reward-based systems are by far more effective when training any dog. Your Dogo will respond much better to a firm hand and positive reinforcement. Given their ultimate size, having your Dogo be obedient is very important. Grooming requirements. The Dogo Argentino is relatively simple to maintain. Grooming is easy because of his short, smooth coat, and he will require a bath every 3 months or when he is dirty from hunting. To bathe a Dogo Argentino, a mild shampoo is best to avoid skin irritation. Health problems. As in the Dalmatian, White Boxer, and White Bull Terrier, the Dogo Argentino may experience pigment-related deafness. There is possibility of an approximate 10% deafness rate overall, with some dogs afflicted uniaurally, one deaf ear, and some binaurally, deaf in both ears. Studies have shown that the incidence of deafness is drastically reduced when the only breeding stock used is that with bilaterally normal hearing. Finally, Dogo Argentino, the strongest dog from Argentina. The Dogo Argentino is impressively powerful. Even their looks telegraph their explosive power, strength, and energy. They have a strong head, well-balanced, muscular body, and athletic grace. The head is uniquely proportioned, with a large mouth to grab and hold prey. The Dogo Argentino is a large muscular dog breed that was originally bred in Argentina for big game hunting. It is known for its powerful bite force, which is one of the strongest among all dog breeds. If I missed any information, let me know by commenting below. Thanks for watching this video. You are invited to watch more videos and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.